Do you guys like the look of the ATK RS7 series Gaming Hall Effect keyboard? The packaging of the keyboard is carefully designed. Whether for self-use or as a gift, the ATK RS7 series is an excellent choice. ATK RS7 series is the first product of extreme performance. It aims to create a Gaming Hall Effect keyboard with excellent performance and ultra-low latency for gamers. Now, let's take a look at its performance and configuration. As a product in pursuit of extreme performance, ATK RS7 series supports 8,000 Hz polling rate, and its latency is less than 0.3 millisecond. The keyboard is equipped with Gateron magnetic jade switch, the Amethyst limited edition. Its actuate force is 30 gram, and the total travel is 3.5 millimeter. It has a service life of up to 100 million times, and the adjustable actuate travel from 0.1 millimeter to 3.4 millimeter. The RT actuate travel of our 7 RGB Pro edition is from 0.02 millimeter to 3.4 millimeter with 0.02 millimeter adjustable precision. That of non-backlit edition is as low as 0.1 millimeter to 3.4 millimeter with 0.05 millimeter adjustable precision. The outstanding performance of RS7 series helps you with every extreme operation. ATK RS7 series adopts wire design with 75% layout, and it can provide more space for the mouse to move and facilitate gamers. The upper case is made of CNC aluminum alloy. RS7 Pro is designed with all aluminum CNC body and has a black crystal counterweight, which is full of texture and value. RS7 series, equipped with original IP rainbow, the OEM profile, and 5-sided die sub-process keycaps. The RS7 series has an optimal front height and a 2-stage flippy feet. It is definitely a best gaming peripheral for gamers. The keyboard adopts the resilient gas structure. The moderate flex provide gamers a clearer feedback. With the aluminum alloy positioning plate, it can provide clearer feedback. RS7 is equipped with pour-on foam, silicone dampener, and EVA filling. The multi-layer sound-dampening structure and its well-factory lubed stabilizers both reduce the resonance and brings a pure typing sound. ATK RS7 series support 8,000 Hz polling rate, 0.3 millisecond ultra-low latency, N-key rollover, and hot swap. The Type-C cable separation design makes it easier to carry out. RS7 series also support ATK HUB driver and ATK HUB web driver. You can set the actuate travel, RT, and other settings. Don't remember to go to our official website to download ATK HUB driver or use the ATK Web Hub if you are a professional gamer and pursues an extreme performance and operation. This keyboard, with rapid reset, rapid trigger, etc., it will absolutely become your ultimate weapon. Don't remember to visit our official website, www.atk.pro, to download ATK HUB driver or ATK Web Hub. The RS7 series currently comes in 3 editions: RS7 Non-Backlight Edition, RS7 RGB Edition, and RS7 PRO RGB Edition. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions about RS7, please leave a message in the comment. Follow us and stay tuned for our latest exciting content. See ya!